Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to sign into your Locket Widget account. Now if you want to sign into your Locket Widget account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket Widget app on the device. So if you have not installed the Locket Widget app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you just need to open the Locket Widget app, and in this page you will be able to see the option which is create an account or sign in. So click on the option of sign in. So you just need to enter your number, or you may simply click on the option of use email instead. So remember what I was signed up with, and you just need to select the option respectively. So I'll simply enter the email which I have signed up with, and after entering the email I'll click on the option of continue. So I'll just enter the password for my account and click on the option of continue. So that's it. That's how you can sign into your Locket Widget account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.